Welcome everyone to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account. Now to do this process, open the Facebook application first. Once you open the Facebook application, you need to tap on the three dotted lines, that is the menu icon on the top right. Once you do that, you scroll down and tap on Setting and Privacy. After that, you tap on Setting. In the setting page, you need to tap on Personal and Account Information. Tap that. Now once you're at this page, you need to tap on Account Ownership and Control. You tap that, and here you will have the option of deactivation and deleting. You tap that option. So as this video is about how to deactivate your Facebook account, you choose the deactivate option instead of delete account and then tap on Continue to Deactivation. To do this, you will need to provide the password for the further process. Type in the password, then tap on Continue. Account deactivation. Deactivating your account will disable your profile and remove your name and photo from the most things you have shared on Facebook. Here on this page, you will need to provide a reason for why you choose to leave or deactivate your Facebook. You provide your reason, tap on that option or the circle checkbox and then tap on Continue. So these are few more information before you go through the account deactivation. You scroll down and you will have the option of reactivate your account. So if you plan on returning to Facebook, make sure that you still have access to the email address. So if you want to reactivate, you can reactivate in a day or by logging in. So for that, tap on the drop down menu. Now here are the days option: 1 day, 2 day, 3 to 7 days. If you choose any of this option, your Facebook account will automatically reactivate after that day. But if you choose the option don't reactivate automatically, your account will not get reactivated by itself unless you do it by yourself. So for this process, I'm just gonna tap on 1 day and tap on Continue. Here are the other information that you need to go through before you deactivate your account. You scroll down, go through all the info and then tap on Deactivate My Account. And with that, your account deactivation process is completed. So this is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.